Is Safari missing from your iPhone? Don't worry, Safari is a built-in app that can be deleted, but it might be hidden or restricted. In this video, I'll show you how to easily bring Safari back to your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check the hidden folder on the iPhone. Open Setting, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, scroll down, tap Hidden Apps. Enter your passcode. Now if this app is hidden, try to unhide it from here. Solution 2. Check if Safari is hidden in a folder. Try to magnify the icon on the home screen to open Spotlight Search. Type Safari in the search bar. If Safari appears in the result, it may be hidden in a folder. Look for the folder name, open it, and move Safari back into the home screen. Solution 3. Check Screen Time Restrictions. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your screen time passcode if enabled. Tap Allowed Apps. Ensure that Safari is toggled on. If Safari is off, it won't show up on your home screen. Solution 4. Reset Home Screen Layout. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Tap Reset Home Screen Layout. This will reset your home screen to its default layout, and Safari will reappear. After completing these steps, you should be able to get Safari back on your iPhone. If the problem continues, don't hesitate to contact Apple support for more help.